What if you lost everything? Your savings, your investments, your business. And today, you had to start from absolute zero. No connections, no wealthy family, no special advantages. What would be the smartest first investment you could make? Would you buy stocks, start a business, invest in cryptocurrency, or save every dollar you earn? The truth is, most people think the first investment should be in the stock market. But many successful entrepreneurs and investors believe the first investment is something far more valuable. In this video, we'll explore exactly where you should invest first if you're starting from zero in 2026, and why making the right first investment could completely change your financial future. Let's begin. When people finally save their first few $100s, they often rush to invest. They buy trending stocks, follow social media advice, or chase the next cryptocurrency that's guaranteed to explode. But investing without knowledge is simply another form of gambling. The goal isn't to get rich fast. The goal is to build a strong financial foundation. Because one bad decision at the beginning can set you back for years.
If you're truly starting from zero, the highest return investment isn't a stock. It's you. Learning valuable skills can increase your income for decades. Skills like communication, sales, marketing, programming, video editing, AI tools, financial literacy. These skills can help you earn far more than any single investment ever could. Because the more valuable you become, the greater your earning potential. Before chasing high returns, build stability. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss. Without emergency savings, many people are forced to sell investments at the worst possible time. A financial safety net gives you confidence and protects your long-term goals. Once you've built good habits, it's time to begin investing. Not because you'll become rich overnight, but because time is your greatest advantage. Even small monthly investments can grow significantly over many years through compound growth. Consistency matters more than size. Starting with a small amount today is often better than waiting years to invest a larger amount.
Every year, a new investment trend captures everyone's attention. Meme stocks, crypto hype, get-rich-quick schemes. Most disappear as quickly as they appear. Successful investors usually avoid emotional decisions. They follow a plan, stay patient, and focus on long-term wealth instead of short-term excitement. One of the smartest investing principles is diversification. Instead of relying on one company or one asset, spread your investments. Different assets perform differently over time. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk, but it helps reduce it. Protecting your money is just as important as growing it.
Many people believe successful investing requires perfect timing. It doesn't. It requires consistency. Invest regularly. Keep learning. Avoid emotional decisions. Think long-term. Small actions repeated year after year can create extraordinary results. Wealth is usually built through discipline, not luck. If you were starting from zero today, your greatest investment wouldn't simply be money. It would be your knowledge, your skills, your habits, and your ability to stay consistent. Because money can be lost, but the ability to earn money can last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance and investing content. And tell us in the comments, if you had just $1,000 today, what would be your very first investment?